Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So now in this video today, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's being hosted by the ladies of Elegance. That's Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from thegracelifediy Home Decor, and that is me. Now remember, this is an open playlist and it's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now I'm going to be linking below the host and the channel links, so make sure watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then go over to the open playlist so that you can see how everybody decorates their table for Tablescape Tuesdays. So now the best part of this collaboration is that you can decorate your style, your theme, your colors, and I would love to see it because we can always learn from each other and glean from each other's technique, and I am absolutely excited about it, and I hope you are too. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. Remember to click that like button because this helps me to grow on YouTube. And then comment below because I would love to hear from you. So now my son was studying and he decided that he was going to go ahead and pop in and show you his Bible. I just love it. So looks like we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. I'm loving the way this tablescape came out. I don't know if it's because of the black or because of these colors that I'm using in combination. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. Remember that I will see you next week on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I had an awesome time putting this tablescape together for you, and I cannot wait to see what I come up with next week or what you come up with next week. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.